Hello, dears. Welcome to English classes at Radhika Rinesh. In the previous class, we were discussing about the introduction of the play Silence the Courtesan session, which is written by the famous Indian writer Vijay Tendulkar. Here we are going to learn much more regarding this play Silence the Courtesan session. In the previous class, we were discussing about the introduction of Silence the Courtesan session, a play which is written by the great Indian playwright Vijay Tendulkar. Here we have to go through the play in detail, especially the plot of this play. It has been taken place in a small hall where the actors are taking a rehearsal before they are going to the stage or to their performance in a small village. We know that they are going to present a kind of court issues or a kind of court session in that play. They wanted to familiarize with the court situation. That is why they are recreating the scene before they are going for the actual performance. At first, a lady by name Leela Benayar arrives at the hall and with one of the villagers by name Samant. He helps her to take her belongings to the village, and both of them arrived at the station or at the hall where they are going to perform the rehearsal. Leela Benayer is an unmarried woman. As the course or as the story is progressing, we will be informed that she is pregnant. Some other actors like Sukhatme, Rokde, Pongshe, Karnik, Mr. Kashikar, and Mrs. Kashikar are arriving at the meeting hall where they are going to perform the play for the rehearsal. These members are mere actors and they do not know the court procedures. In order to familiarize with the court procedure system, they have decided to enact the play or enact a trial, a court trial in that hall. Then for that purpose, Mr. Sukhatme, the actor, decides to play the role of the lawyer, and Mr. Kashikar has adopted the role of the judge. Here, Vijay Tendulkar is showcasing or projecting or unveiling the tendency of humans to get into the secrets of others or get into the lives of others. Here, Pongshe and Karnik, the other actors, have some doubts on the personal life of Leela Benayer, their co-actress. Then they suggest that or they think that Miss Lena Benayer be charged with infanticide because they knew that this lady is pregnant and she is going to abort this infant or abort this pregnancy because she is unmarried, and the father of this infant or this child is unknown. So they are charging Miss Leela Benayer for infanticide. This court procedure is happening as a rehearsal. We know that they are targeting the lady Miss Benayer. Before going to the details of the story, we have to understand the mentality of other troop members as well as the actress Leela Benayer. Leela Benayer is unmarried and she is very bold, outspoken, and educated. As a result of this, all the other members are not at all pleased with the behaviors of Leela Benayer. In some instances, Leela Benayer is very progressive and very independent and very bold. These other persons, including ladies, are not at all interested in this behavior because According to them, these behaviors are not at all suitable for an Indian woman. An Indian woman should be submissive, not to be an outspoken like Leela Benaya. All of them are of an opinion that Leela Benaya should suffer because of her lifestyle and because of her character. Mr. Rockday is a person who is always criticizing Leela Benayer, and he reveals that when he went to Mr. Damley's house, he saw Miss Benayer there. With this, Mr. Samant fabricates, or he is weaving a story that Miss Leela Benayer is having an illicit relationship with Mr. Damle, and she got pregnant out of this. By hearing this statement from these uh, people, Leela Benayer got upset because she is actually pregnant, and she tries to leave the room, but the room has been locked from outside. While all these things are happening, Rogde, Pongche, and Karnik are revealing that they are actually doing a game, not any instance of reality or any hint of reality in it, but they are doing it as a game, an actual trial that is happening in that hall. Then the lawyer, Mr. Sukhatme, makes an argument that Leela Benayer is corrupted, and she is corrupting both the society as well as the motherhood by doing this infanticide, because she is unmarried and she is not at all leading a fine life throughout. That is why she got pregnant even before marriage. So she should be punished. This was the trial, or this was the argument made by the lawyer Sukhat Mehia. Then the judge, Mr. Kashikar, delivers the final punishment or the judgment for Leela Benayer. That is, the court has ordered an abortion. And by hearing this word or this verdict, Leela Benayer has been collapsed and she has fallen to the floor. At this time, we know that the room was locked from outside. Then the villagers unlocked the door and they get into the room. At this time, Leela Benayo was lying on the floor, and she was very much devastated because a lot of arguments, a lot of words targeted to her was made by her co-workers or her colleagues, and she was very much disappointed and devastated. At this time, the whole group goes to Benayer and comforts her by telling that it was all a game, it was all the part of rehearsal. They are going to perform on the stage. Anyway, actually, they are intended to hurt this lady, but they are making some more comfortable words to Leela Benayer there. After this, they leave to perform the stage, and Benayer remains alone on stage at the end of the play. So this is the story of Silence the Court in Session, which is written by Vijay Tendulkar, Mr. Vijay Tendulkar, and it is a one-act play. It is a very short play. Here he is not at all presenting a rehearsal of a drama, but actually he is telling about the attitude of humans or the society towards an unmarried woman uh, if she is living alone. One of the actors are revealing the fact that Leela Benaya is pregnant with the baby of some other persons, Mr. Damle or someone, and they are not at all crucifying, or they are not at all targeting that person or that man. Instead, they are targeting this woman. It's not a crime which she had done alone, but that person is also responsible for that. But no one is going to blame that person, and they are giving much more punishment to this lady. At last, what is happening is that the lady is standing alone on the stage. We know that in most of the cases, such ladies or such women are alone in their life itself. No one will be there to support her. Even the family members won't be ready to support such ladies. So this is the essence of this play. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.